I should have got this. So I have this in like a full vase. Look at the detailing on this, guys. This is from Anthropology, in case you're wondering. And here it's $10, $9.99. Plastic. Are they dishwasher safe? They are, and they're only $3.99. These look just like the Anthropology ones, but this is actually fake, you guys. This is not glass. These are actually good.
I like these ones.
Oh, these are cool. Yeah, they're plastic too.
That's good for an apartment.
$2.99. This is very Gucci, guys. $3.99. This would be cute on like your nightstand. To put like your rings and stuff. Minimal and cute. To put like, oh, this is what you put your silverware in. That's actually really cute. I'm looking for one of these for a while, and this one's so mini. I wonder what I could put in here. Some fresh vegan made cookies by me. This is on sale for $8. Okay, I'm buying this. This will be my first purchase. I need a basket. Got it. Got one item. Need a basket now.
I like this, Nastazsa, that vintage fan.
I know, I've always wanted this. Oh, it's only $30. But do you think it would actually keep you cool?
I don't know.
It would look good in my new, like with what I'm doing with my room now, actually.
There's two, one for me and one for you.
Whoa, it like hangs down like a macrame wall hanger. And this is $24.99. They have like really good, like cheap pillows. Oh, they have another. This would look good in the middle of my couch. Kind of. I do need new pillows. Let's keep looking. I'm not 100% sold on that one. This is such like a good quality print, guys. And it's only $39.99. I love these. These are so pretty. Everything in here is so cute. This is only $9.99. And all this stuff looks like it's from Anthro or Urban Outfitters. If you guys need something to like place on your coffee table for layering, this is a good section to come. Like, look how cute this is. Like, look how cute. Oh, it's missing a little piece here, but if it wasn't. And then you could like put candles and things. This is actually cute. They have even more. They have a smaller one. Wait, look, they have a little baby one. And it's only $12.99. I actually think I'm gonna get this. It's trendy. Not sure what kind of crystal this is, but guys, this is only $16.99. Oh, look at this one. This is a good place to come for this stuff. $14.99. These are also pretty colors. Like, I love this. This is insane. Like, absolutely.
That green one's good.
Oh yeah. There's a good $24.99 option. They're all so good. I love this one. Guys, this one's so pretty. For $14.99. I think I need to get this. This is like the prettiest thing ever. To put like jewelry in. This is kind of vintage and cool. Look at the black marble on the bottom. But I have nowhere to put this in my apartment. This coffee table is so good. Like the wood on it, and look at the bottom. But it's clearly crafted. So I'm gonna get one of these for my new room. It says it increases blood flow, improves sleeping, boosts serotonin levels, reduces asthma problems, and we all know I have the worst asthma ever. And then it increases energy, reduces stress, and improves breathing. Okay, this is coming home with me. It's so pretty. Guys, you can use this as a nightstand. It's $70. Seems pretty good quality though. If you want cheap candles, they have like so many. Guys, this whole aisle with candles. Like, look at this. This is only $30. This would be like $85, $90 at Anthropology. And then you can keep this when you're done. And then this is a marble one for some price, $6.99. Oh, look at this little minimal. Oh,
you can also get someone Starbucks here if you want.
Look how cute this is.
That one's pretty.
$5.99. Does it smell good? Oh, it kind of does. It's actually cute. So that is everything I picked up on my trip to HomeGoods. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the way I styled everything. If you guys would like to see more videos like this and come shopping with me other places, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. Also, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!